Hello, I'm Dr. Evelyn Tirado from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana. If you're missing one or more teeth, you may be wondering what your best replacement options are. One of the most common solutions is a dental bridge. A dental bridge is a fixed restoration that literally bridges the gap left by missing teeth. It replaces the missing tooth or teeth with natural-looking artificial teeth that are permanently attached to the supporting teeth on either side of the space. To make a traditional bridge, we prepare the healthy teeth next to the gap and place crowns over them. These crowns are connected to the replacement tooth in the middle, creating one solid restoration that is securely cemented into place. Once it is bonded, you don't remove it. You brush and floss it much like your natural teeth. Many patients ask how a bridge compares to a partial denture. A partial denture is usually the least expensive way to replace missing teeth. It is removable, which means you take it out every day for cleaning, and then place it back into your mouth. For many patients, a partial denture is a very good solution, especially when cost is the biggest concern. A dental bridge, however, offers several advantages. Because it is permanently fixed in place, it feels much more like your natural teeth. There are no metal clasps to remove each day, and many patients find that they can chew and speak more comfortably with a bridge than with a removable partial denture. The number and location of the missing teeth also help determine whether a bridge is the right choice. For example, if you're missing one tooth, or sometimes two teeth, and you have strong, healthy teeth on both sides of the gap, a traditional bridge may be an excellent option. However, bridges do have limitations. Generally, you cannot span a long distance with a traditional bridge. If several teeth in a row are missing, there may not be enough support to make a bridge that will last. In those situations, dental implants may provide a better solution. We can often place 2 or more implants and support a fixed bridge on those implants, allowing us to replace several missing teeth without relying on natural teeth for support. Every patient's situation is different. During your consultation, we'll evaluate your teeth, gums, bone, and bite before recommending the treatment that's best for you. Whether that's a traditional bridge, a removable partial denture, or dental implants, our goal is always the same: to restore your smile, improve your ability to chew comfortably, and give you a replacement that fits your needs and your budget. If you'd like to learn more about dental bridges or find out which option is right for you, we'd be happy to help. Contact Dr. Mexico Dental Group to schedule your consultation.